do get stuck. Sometimes a blizzard can bring out the best in people.
KMBC 9's Krista Tatchell went out to find some of those helpers today. And Krista, you found some, right?
We found a lot of them, Chris. I feel like I've had a smile on my face all day long because we've seen stranger after stranger helping other people, just coming out of their houses, even when it is so cold outside. They just say, we just wanted to come out and to see if you needed any help. Well, we saw this in many neighborhoods across the metro today. And as many are still snowed in, truckers out plowing driveways, not yet reached by city crews. We saw people coming from every direction trying to dig out neighbors who were stuck in snow, just kind of spinning their wheels literally on ice, offering mats and blankets and cardboard, just trying to help. Strangers were helping strangers in every neighborhood we went through today, shoveling snow and checking on each other. Some say a snow day can bring out the best in all of us.
Yeah, we need that. Helping each other, build a community. I'm gonna help the neighbor across the street if he needs it. He been trying to get a snow blower. My man got a tractor down there, so yeah, that's the type of stuff that we need.
A lot of other volunteers were out on, you've probably heard of them, snow squads or snow angels, specifically in the city of Shawnee and the city of Kansas City. In the city of Shawnee, they are asking for more volunteers to sign up at their city's website to offer to go out to shut-ins and help shovel some of the snow that's going to be around for a while this week. And they say go check on your neighbors and help where you can. We're live in Kansas City. Krista Tatchell, KMBC 9 News.
All right, thank you, Chris.